Printer connected to Wi-Fi but offline. Step 1. Check printer status. First, make sure your printer is turned on and not displaying any error messages. Check the printer's display for any warnings or alerts. Step 2. Restart devices. Restart your printer, computer, and Wi-Fi router. This simple step can often resolve temporary issues causing the offline status. Step 3. Update printer drivers. Visit Canon's official website and download the latest drivers for your printer model. Installing the latest drivers can solve compatibility issues. Step 4. Check printer connection. Ensure your printer is still connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. Print a network configuration page to verify its connection. Step 5. Reinstall printer. Remove and reinstall your printer from your computer. This can help refresh the connection. System preferences, a printer's scanners, remove printer, add printer. Step 6. Use Canon's printer utility. Use Canon's printer utility or app to diagnose and fix network issues. Follow the on-screen instructions for troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.